Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up fulfillment in Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and click on Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll find options to manage your fulfillment process. You can choose between manual fulfillment, where you personally mark each order as complete, or automatic fulfillment, which integrates with a third-party service. Selecting the right method is crucial for efficient order processing and customer satisfaction. For manual fulfillment, begin by logging into your Shopify admin. From the Orders section, locate any unfulfilled orders. Click on the order you want to process, and then select Mark as fulfilled. This action updates the order status and allows you to add tracking details. Remember to include the tracking number and carrier information, then notify your customer, ensuring they receive timely updates about their package's journey. If you prefer automatic fulfillment, your first step is to explore the Shopify App Store. Search for fulfillment services that integrate seamlessly with Shopify. Once you've chosen and installed an app, you'll need to connect your Shopify store to that third-party platform. This typically involves a few clicks and authorization steps. Configure your settings to ensure orders are automatically sent for fulfillment and inventory levels are updated in real time, saving you valuable time. Regularly reviewing your fulfillment settings is key to a smooth operation. In your shipping and delivery settings, you can adjust shipping profiles and delivery zones. You might also want to set specific fulfillment rules for certain products or inventory locations. Continuously monitor your order fulfillment status to quickly identify and resolve any potential delays. Optimizing these settings helps ensure faster delivery times and significantly enhances your customers' overall shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.